Welcome to today's session. A very good morning and good evening to all the participants.
In today's session, I'm going to start with SAP HANA Valuation and Key Innovations. HANA Evaluation and Key Innovations. In 2.0 version. SAP HANA was released for the customers on June 2011. The first version named as SAP HANA 1.0. Once the first release is available to the customers, SAP follows three different naming conventions to release additional features or to see any existing issues. Those three naming conventions are support package tag, second one is revisions, and third one is maintenance releases. We have initial version, which is HANA 1.0, and then under that we have support package stack. In each support package stack, we have revisions. In each revision, we have database and maintenance revisions. So this is the hierarchy that SAP follows. Now, let's look what is support package tag. We should consider support package tag as a group of new features or a group of additional functionality that will provide to SAP HANA. For every major change in system features, SAP release a new support package tag. For example, SPS 02, SPS 03, something like this. In each support package tag, we have revisions. These revisions will be released as an added feature to the system or fix it to some of the existing issues. These revisions in between each support package stack, we have maximum of 10 revisions. For example, we take SPS 05, the revision is 50. Then we say we have maximum of 10 revisions. Maintenance revisions are released for revisions. For example, 97.01 and 97.02 are the maintenance revisions exist for SAP HANA, SPS, SPS 09. Issues related to data loading, execution of models comes under the maintenance revisions. And we can also call it as hotfix. It is fixed to that a particular revision. Now let's see how to identify HANA database version in the HANA Studio. Here, right click on EDB Best, click on Properties. Here we can see the version. Here we can see the 2.0 version. Here click on SQL console. Here enter the SQL statement. Select Start from 6.m underscore database. Click on execute. Here we can find the version 2.00 by using the SQL statement. Now let us see the differences between HANA 1.0 and HANA 2.0. In order to address the innovation changes that are happened in HANA 2.0, so we are going to see in two different categories. One is fixing all your bugs from previous version. That's a major activity that normally happens. Continuous or key innovations. Identify the bug related to current product. So the company it starts connecting to the system all the bugs that have been captured. Make a list of all the bugs and bundle together. Bundle will be used to bundle be used for the newer version. That is one way of looking at how you are moving from older version to newer version. Coming to the second category, SAP has started off creating new innovations or enhancements for the current products innovations, improving the product by providing new features. Then SAP HANA came up to the market, be used as HANA just being as a database. And it has very little capability They started growing. Now it is called as HANA platform. A platform is nothing but a combination of software and hardware. So let's see what are the innovations can be added to this version. When it comes to database management, HANA database was primarily used as a, a sidecar implementation or a secondary database. From SAP, from 03 onwards, SAP database is used as a is one of the SAP products. BW is started using HANA, its underlying database from SPS 05. SAP started using HANA as the underlying database for different products like ECC, CRM, and SRM. From SPS 05, from SPS 09, it improves the functionality and new features were added. In 2017, SAP released HANA 2.0. When it comes to data provisioning, SAP HANA 1.0, SPS 0, SPS 02, it uses SLT and BODS to move the data from source to HANA. From SPS 03 to 04, it uses flat file to move data. From SPS 06 to SPS 07 to read information virtually, which is called as smart data access, where we can read from source system. I can read data that is either from Hadoop or other non-SAP databases. All the databases were accessible using Smart Data Access. Here, here we have limitations with Smart Data Access. SAP HANA has to create access to all the systems one at a time. To avoid this limitation, SAP has introduced a new tool called SDI. It's nothing but Smart Data Integration. The biggest advantage of Smart Data Integration, it needs an adapter framework, is more like an open source. It has given an adapter for SQL Server and Hadoop. When it comes for application development, SAP HANA has its own built-in application, and it can create HTML5 and SAP UI5, that is web-based application can be directly created. Those web-based products can be accessed by this database. You can create app, and one of that app is Fury Apps. Fury is the new front end for SAP portfolio. This application runs. There is a component within your HANA system called as Access Engine. Access Engine is nothing but extended service engine. It behaves as a web application server. From SPS 09, creating web apps became as a prominent. SAP has introduced HANA as the single system, and it has own CPU. From from SPS 10, 11, 12, it introduced multi-tenant database. that is, and we call this as a master database. And other databases called as tenant databases. These are also known as databases. They're all sitting in it is a DB container. Each of these done with specific application, we can achieve concept of isolation. From SAP HANA 2.0, multi-database containers is is our default, and in SAP HANA 1.0, SPS 12 is optional. Coming to dynamic data marking, it provides additional protection for, for sensitive and confidential data. For high availability and disaster management, HANA 2.0 came up with new concept called active and active read. It is one of the key innovations of under the capability of database management when it comes to administration. In earlier, we used DBA cockpit in HANA Studio. From HANA 2.0, we have created new tool called as HANA Admin Cockpit. Let me show you. Open SAP HANA Studio. Right-click on EDB Best. Under the Configuration Monitoring, open SAP HANA Cockpit. Enter the username and password. Click on Log On. It is an administration tool on the web browser. Web browser, app on mobile device. The advantage is administrator need not to log in to desktop or to the laptop. We will offer a tablets or mobile and monitor the HANA database to this web browser. It has been enhanced with a number of features, particularly multi-tenant DB administration. Using this, we can connect to system to the current tenant database. In HANA database administration, we can view overall database status. Here we have EDB system. It is multi-tenant. We can use market database in tenant database status. We can create, delete tenant databases in this. When it comes to the security perspective, initially there were no concept of data encryption. From SPS09, data encryption started in SAP HANA. To expand the security, double click on the security. Click on data value encryption. Here we have services. If you want to encrypt, here you can encrypt the service. Click on this and click on deploy. Next one is HANA 2.0. HANA 2.0 includes the concept of dynamic tiling. Let me explain what is dynamic tiling. In SAP HANA, gives the ability to keep the data in either memory or on the disk in a columnar format. The data is not duplicated. Dynamic tiering option can to choose the memory for hot data, disk for warm data. The right performance balance. And the last one is SAP HANA 2.0 is advanced analytical capabilities. So let me explain what is advanced analytical capabilities. The predictive algorithm that is doing statistical analysis. Here we can do text analysis, graph, and facial. Let me show you the HANA innovations deeply. Under the data integration and quality, we have the innovations like data quality and virtualization. Under the database management, we have the innovations in security, MDC. It is nothing but multi multi-tenant database containers. And dynamic tiering. And we have innovations in application development and analytical. Under the analytical, we have the innovations in algorithm, partial data, and text analytics. Algorithm, spatial analysis, and text analysis. In today's session, we have seen HANA evaluation. What are the key innovations in HANA 2.0? If you want to see the assignment for today's topic, go to Dropbox Set2 folder, go to Set2 assignments, open HANA admin assignments. You can find the assignment for HANA evaluation and key innovations in 2.0. Let us open the assignment. Here I've given all the steps in these assignments. Click on Start, click on SAP HANA Studio, right click on H20 system, click Properties, click on Version History. Here we can view HANA version. We have given all the steps in these assignments.
Thank you all the participants. I'll see you in the next session.